Ever since we set up our smart home devices to work with Alexa, movie night has been even more amazing.
We can control everything in our house, so once we're in our blanket burritos, we're ready for a relaxing night uninterrupted.
Alexa, dim the lights. Magical. Alexa, what's your favorite movie?
The Empire Strikes Back is my all-time favorite. It's impressive. Most impressive.
Connecting your compatible smart home devices to work with Alexa is simple. Here's how.
First, you'll need to complete setup for your smart home device using the manufacturer's companion app. Next, open the Amazon Alexa app. First, you'll need to choose devices. Tap the plus icon, and then tap Add Device. Choose what device you want to connect. Select the brand, and then just follow the on-screen instructions. Once your devices are connected, you can ask Alexa to turn off the lamp, change the temperature, or lock the front door with ease.
You're free to do more of what you love. Not that I'm scared or anything, but is the door locked?
I'll check. Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on.
Feel better?
Much better. Alexa, what would I do without you?
Let's hope we never find out.
Want to learn more? Click the link in the description to find out more about what you can do with Alexa Smart Home. More than a little